In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the resolution in Clipchamp. Whether you're new to video editing or just looking to polish your skills in Clipchamp, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently export your video in the desired resolution. Let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser. If you haven't already, go ahead and type Clipchamp into the search bar. Once the results appear, click on the official Clipchamp link. This will take you to their homepage, where you can begin by logging into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's straightforward to set one up by following their sign-up instructions. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where all your projects are stored. At this point, you'll want to open an existing project that you've been working on. To do this, simply locate the project from your list and give it a click. This will open the project in the editor, allowing you to make any last-minute tweaks or adjustments as needed. If your project is all set to go and you're satisfied with your edits, let's move to the next step. Now focus your attention on the top right corner of the editor. You'll see a purple button labeled Export. This is your gateway to changing the resolution of your video. Click on this button and a menu will appear, offering you a selection of resolution options. In Clipchamp, you have the choice between 480p, 720p, and 1080p. Each of these options serves different needs. For instance, 480p might be sufficient for simple projects viewed on smaller screens, while 1080p comes in handy for high-definition viewing on larger screens or platforms. Once you've selected the resolution that best suits your needs, Clipchamp will automatically begin processing your video. You'll see a progress bar indicating the status of your export. During this time, you can relax as the software does its magic. After the export finishes, you have two convenient options to consider. You can save the processed video directly to your computer, which allows for easy access anytime you need it. Alternatively, if you're planning to share your masterpiece online right away, Clipchamp provides a feature to upload your video straight to your connected social media accounts. This is particularly helpful for content creators looking to streamline the sharing process across multiple platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the resolution and exported your video using Clipchamp. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to, and remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has made your video editing journey a bit easier. See you in the next video.